Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to clone yourself in a video using CapCut PC. This is a very easy tutorial because the trick for this is usually in the shooting of the video. Now in the editing part, all we have to do is to import two videos wherein there is the same subject in the same place, but different positions. Now drag the second video on top of the main video. Then, modify this video as you like. You can cut it, add music to it, and add some text or more. After that, go to the video section and under mask, select rectangle. Increase the size of it and drag it to the left. Increase the feather so that it blends in nicely. And that's it! You have now successfully cloned yourself in a video using CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!